to chant. B for bat and B for ball. Bat hits the ball far over the wall. C for cat, C for car, why? Cat drives the car and goes so far. D for dog and D for drum. Dog beats the drum, rat dum dum dum. E for elephant, E for egg. Elephant rolls it with his leg. F for fish, F for fan. Fan blows air and fish began. G for goat, G for grapes. Goat eats grapes and happily escapes. H for horse, H for hippo. Horse runs fast, hippo walks slow.
I for igloo, icy and bright. Ice cream melts in the warm sunlight.
J for jar, J for jelly. Jelly jumps and jiggles in my belly. K for kite and K for kangaroo. Kite flies high and the kangaroo jumps too. L for lion, L for leaf. Lion sleeps under the leaf.
M for monkey, M for mango. Monkey jumps high to grab it and go.
N for night and N for nest. Birds sleep tight in their cozy rest. O for octopus,
O for ocean.
octopus swims with happy motion. P for parrot and P for pen. Parrot picks up the pen and draws again. Q for quail and Q for quilt. Quail sleeps warm, the blanket's built. R for rabbit and R for rain. Rabbit runs fast to dodge the rain. S for sheep, S for snow. Sheep walks by where cold winds blow. T for tiger, T for toy. Tiger plays like a little boy. U for umbrella, bright and wide. It keeps me dry when I run and hide. V for van and V for vest. The van zoomed past with music at best. W for whale and W for wave. Whale splashes high. X for xylophone, plays so fine. Ting 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 da, it makes a chime. Y for yak with shaggy back. He walks slowly on a snowy track. Z for zebra, black and white. Galloping fast, what a sight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press bell.